Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're trying to connect a link cable to your Quest 3, you might expect it to work instantly, but sometimes nothing shows up on your PC or the headset doesn't recognize the connection. This can be confusing, especially if it's your first time using PC VR. The link cable allows your Quest 3 to act like a PC VR headset, but it requires the right setup, software, and permissions to work properly. Even a small misstep like not enabling link inside the headset can stop everything from working. The good thing is that once you follow the correct process, you'll be able to enjoy PC VR games smoothly with better graphics and performance. Try these. Step 1. Connect the link cable from your Quest 3 to your PC USB port. Step 2. Install and open the MetaQuest app on your PC. Step 3. Turn on your headset and ensure it's unlocked and active. Step 4. Put on the headset and allow data access when prompted. Step 5. Select Enable Quest Link inside the headset menu. Step 6. Launch a PC VR game and test the connection.